welcome back to my channel. Hi, if you are new, my name is Audri Loveberry. I do beauty, as in when I say beauty, I consider nails as beauty, hair as beauty. I do a little bit of fashion, double dabble here and there, lifestyle vlogs, and I have a fitness journey that I myself are going on and I wanted to include you guys with. So that is about my channel. If you are interested and you like this video, please hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notifications so you know when I post. Make sure you comment down below. Hit that like button. On today's video, you read the title, you've seen the thumbnail. We are trying the Real Short Salon Kiss French acrylic press-on nails. I have not tried the Real Short before. I have tried the medium in the square length and in the ballerina or coffin length. I have done the long nails before, but I have not tried the Real Short. I was actually looking for short, but I went to 2 different Walgreens and a CVS, and I still only found the Real Short. And I think the Real Short will look really cute, but we are going to try these out. And if you're the type that don't like long nails but you like that classic French look, continue watching and see how you can have this at home for only $8.99, $9, depending on where you get it from. You can get it from Walmart, CVS, Walgreens, any kind of pharmacy, Target, TJ Maxx. A lot of these stores have these. You can also get it online at kissproducts.com. All right, so if you are interested, I know that was a long intro, but just in case you haven't been here before, I wanted to introduce myself, so you can hit that subscribe button. It is free, costs you no money, but come on, let's check these out.
Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Let more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad. You got it bad for me, babe. I don't feel glad that I can have this, babe. Nobody else true. Nobody else makes me. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. We're right around the love, right around the trip, right around the dick, right around the slap me up the dick. I'm throwing a fit, right around the world, right around talking to me. Oh, I got that. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body, baby. I should do know, but we'll never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss, baby. I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want it, yeah. Never fall out of love with you. Married. Let's stop holding back on this and let's get carried away. Stop making a big deal out of the little things, cause I got big deals and I got little things,
because it makes
got
it
everything.
easier to read the numbers. And I guess they put the tabs on there because they're so small that it'll be kind of hard to see the numbers. Alright, so you know, you should push it back, your cuticle. So that's what I'm doing here. My hands are already washed. They're a little stained because I made some curry last night, some Jamaican curry that I got the seasoning from our Asian market that we have in a different city. So I went and had that last night. So it stains a lot. I didn't know that, but it was really good. It was my first time making it because I usually use like the cubes that you get like from Walmart or the other grocery stores, which of course they had the cubes there as well. I did give me some of those, the extra hot ones. But now I am buffing the nail because it makes it easier for the glue to stick on. I hope y'all had a very happy Thanksgiving, and you'll definitely see this before Christmas. But again, if you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Again, it is free. Let's get to 1,000 subscribers. What is if you are a press-on nail person, or if this is your first time, what is your go-to style of nail? Is it square? Is it round? Is it a coffin or ballerina? Or is it stiletto? Me, when I would get my nails done, actually like at a salon, I love the like medium, it's in between medium and short length, but I would get like stiletto. So it would be like pointy, and my nail tech would be like, you really trying to cut somebody with these nails? I was like, I just like the style. I think it's just cute. And I would always, well, not always, but you know, go on Pinterest and look at some styles, or do some bejeweled. That was kind of like my little, well, not little, but it was my self-care, you know? Alright, so we're gonna start on this side and go like so. And I think, let me try. Oh, so it says you should start, well, I seen on the directions that you should start with your pinky first, and some TikToks also say you should start with your pinky first. So what we're gonna do, I usually don't, I usually start with my thumbs, but we're gonna try it and we're gonna start with the pinky first. So, and also we are going to put it on the nails. And a dab on the finger as well. All right. One Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4, 5 Mississippi, 6 Mississippi, 7 Mississippi, 8, 9 Mississippi, 10. Like do 10 seconds, 10 Mississippis. As you can see, there are no bubbles. No bubbles, that's very cute. And you just take the tab off like that, and then I'm gonna take the file and do a little buff. And there, so you don't see it. Okay, we're starting off, I like it. We're starting off nice on here. And I'm just making sure that the glue is on every inch of the part that you will see with your nail. And just a 1 drop, just to make sure to seal it nice and good. And then I'm going to press it. Right. That one you can kind of see my nail through it, but hey, I can't do anything about that. And I'm just going to clean this off like so. Like that. 1, 2. and then just boom. And you see there's just a little bit there. Just a little bit there. And voila. So that's what we're looking like so far. Moving right along. Oops, I'll put that on there first. That's okay. Make sure y'all can see it.
Yeah. I find why I give you what you need. I know what you like. I believe for me. Tell me something, yes.
See?
I try to need you.
No bubbles. Just pull it off like so.
I need to give it all. I just don't live what I got. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body.
Moving on.
You don't need no other body.
Bring a little on
Only
here.
you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body.
Dab. Covering the full nail. Again. No bubbles. No bubbles. Dory bubbles? Bubbles? No, was it Finding Nemo? I think it was Finding Nemo. Who said bubbles? Was it the star that said bubbles? I think it was the star. Comment down below if you remember. Alright, moving right along. Now we're doing the thumb. Again, adding to the full nail. Drop. Adding. There. And again. So you can see. Have it at the base. And you see how you can tell there. Just make sure no bubbles. 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi, 3 Mississippi, 4 Mississippi, 5 Mississippi, 6, 7, 8, 9. Remove. Just a little tab, dab, dab. No bubbles. Success. Cute, simple manicure. When I'm done with the other hand, I'll apply my cuticle oil that I have. But that's the first hand. Make sure we do our little, get rid of that excess tab. There. There we go. Now move on to the other side.
If I wrote you a symphony, just
just to say how much you mean to me. What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do. Because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away. Ain't another woman that can take your spot, my love. My love. Now if I wrote you a love note and made you smile at every word I wrote, what would you do? Would that make you wanna change your scene and wanna be the one on my team? Tell me, would you? See, what's the point in waiting anymore? Cause girl, I've never been more sure that baby it's you. This ring here represents my heart and everything that you've been waiting for. Just say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking.
Encontrar una señal en el silencio, mirarnos fijamente por siempre, baby. Por eso ven, ven, quédate, ven, ven, quédate, oh. Conmigo, ven, ven, quédate, ven, ven, quédate, oh. Conmigo, ven, ven, quédate, conmigo,
Howdy. Thank you for watching. This is the final result. I think these are so pretty, nice and classic. Real short French nails by Kiss. So cute, quick and easy, at home, no bubbles. Alright, so again, so you can get a nice little cute close-up. Nice and classic. Very pretty. Alright, thank you for watching all the way to the end. Please hit that subscribe button to join the Loveberry squads. I'll see you in the next video and have a great day. Bye.
What's up? Fix your credit, girl, get at it, get your bag up. Hit that gym and get